How to enable 2FA. In this guide, you will learn how to enable two-factor authentication for your account. 2FA is a crucial security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your online accounts. By following the steps outlined below, you can easily activate this feature and enhance the security of your account. Step 1. Sign in your CustomGPT account. Step 2. Access My Profile. Click on My Profile. Step 3. Access Security. Click on Security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Locate the two-factor authentication section. Click on Enable. Input your password. Click on Confirm. Step 5. Set up an authentication app. Open your Authenticator app. Click on Scan QR code. Using your smartphone or tablet, scan the QR code generated on your CustomGPT profile. Create a nickname. Click on Save. Use the 6-digit code provided and input it into the code section of your CustomGPT profile. Click on Confirm. Step 6. Save your recovery codes. Store these recovery codes in a secure place. They can be used to recover access to your account if your two-factor authentication device is lost. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your account. This crucial security feature will enhance your account's protection by requiring an additional layer of verification, ensuring both data privacy and security.